In this vlog, we will see how to implement retrofit network call using request method get. So for which we need to add few dependencies here. So under the dependencies tab in PubSpec, we need to add retrofit and JSON annotation here. So here I am not specifying any version number, but you can specify it when you are trying this particular tutorial. So here under developer dependencies, we are adding a retrofit generator and build underscore runner here. So the help of these two developer dependencies we will be seeing later in this tutorial. So now let us start with the coding. So in the main.dart we will be initializing with the void main, and we are considering the basic default class here my app, which is extending a stateless widget here. So we are returning a material app inside which we are considered a home class, which is again extending a stateful widget here. So the first one is stateless and the other one now we are considering a stateful widget here. So the home state is a state created under the class home here, and here we are returning a scaffold inside which we have provided a basic app bar here, and inside the body we have specified our future builder method here, so for which we are passing a parameter context here. So now let us see the class post underscore api.dart first. So here in this particular abstract class we have specified an API here. So this is our sample API JSON generator.com. We have mentioned a sample API here to fetch the data. So we are specifying a request method here get. You can see here we have specified a get method here. So we are getting the task from here, and we are passing the name and age from the API here. So after specifying this particular class, we need to make use of these two developer dependencies which we have initialized. So these two, with the help of these two dependencies, we need to move to terminal. From the terminal we need to run flutter pub run build underscore runner and build here. So this particular command we need to run, and after running this command we will be having this file generated. So me, as it is already generated, I am skipping up this step for now, and here in this way you can generate this particular class here, and you can see here we should not modify anything in this particular class as it is specified here. So here we are passing the name and age here, and the URL which we have specified here in the post underscore API is also used here with the same indent equal to 2. So after making the API abstract class here, so here you can see with the help of future builder we are calling our get task method here, and after fetching the data we are parsing the data here. We are fetching the data from with the help of a snapshot, and we are returning the build post method here. So this is a widget again. So with the help of widget we can display data onto the screen here. So for this build post we are passing two parameters context and post here. So with the help of this post we are passing the data and we are assigning it to the text widgets here. Now let us see the output here. So here you can see name and age. So when we try to run the API here, so this particular API, let us try to run and see. Yeah, here you can see. So this is the data, same data we are fetching in our application. So in this way we can implement retrofit network call with a request method get. So the code for this tutorial is available in the description section below, and if you are having any queries, do let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this tutorial, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content on Flutter.